These are Churu's. Cats love them. I'm gonna feed one to my cat. Oh, hi, London. Oh, you're so cute. Are you cute little London? 1 out of 4. Okay, this is my cat London. 1 out of 4. We have all of the cats numbered. So Tig is 1, London is 2, 3 is Daffodil, and 4 is Hyacinth. Because that's the order we got them in. First one we got first. Hi, you're so cute. Oh, you're beautiful as bear.